Are you an avid Instagram user who loves browsing through carousels? Well, you're in luck because in this video, I'm going to show you how to view all the carousels you've liked by date on Instagram on your PC with the new update. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Then, look for the More icon, or the three dots at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on it to access the Options menu. Next, click on Your Activity from the menu. This will take you to a page where you can see all your interactions on Instagram. Scroll down to the Likes section and look for the carousels you have liked. To make it easier to find the carousels you're looking for, click on the Sort and Filter option. Here, you can enter the start date and the end date for the period of the carousels you want to view. This way, you can easily narrow down your search and find the carousels you've liked within a specific time frame. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can easily view all the carousels you've liked by date on Instagram on your PC. So go ahead and explore all the amazing content you've interacted with on Instagram. Happy browsing!